If you have a good copy of an ancient masterpiece of Soviet technology, but unfortunately you point some fungus on the lenses, don't be upset, you can quickly fix it. You don't need too much of tools and chemicals. I use a napkin, some Chinese liquid for the lenses, don't even know what type of chemical it is, and a caliper. I'll show how I cleaned my Jupiter 47A. So, first of all, unscrew the M42 mount. It will not allow you to reach the lens if you will use a caliper as a wrench. If you have a special lens spanner wrench for that, skip this part. Gently unscrew the lens ring and flip over the body to detach the lens and catch it with some fabric. Do not touch the lenses because the skin fat will dissolve the lens coating. Clean the lens with a chemical or soap water if you don't have something special. When the lens will be clean, you can install it back. Unfortunately, I forgot which side the lens was installed, so let's find it out. Also, the technology was stolen and this lens is a copy of Zeiss Sonar or Kanda Z. So, the lens was installed that way, let's do the same. Gently screw the lens back and install the M42 mount. Clean it with a lens pen and you're in a good shape and ready to shoot some photos.